નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Now to the continuous chapter number 5, exercise 5.1. In exercise 5.1, so first of all we will start the question number 3. Question number 1 and question number 2, this one is the introduction portions. Right? वो आप अपनी तरह से अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हो. दोनों क्वेश्चंस किस तरह से होता है वो हमने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी देखा था. So this one is also simply questions, not more about it. So we will start our next is the question number 3. So in this questions, the question number 3, draw any line segment, say AB, take point C lying in between A and B, measure the length of AB, BC and AC. Is AB is equal to AC plus BC? So first of all, draw any line segment and say AB. Here students, I have to draw a one line segment, and this line segment here is A and give the name here is B. Now students, take point C lying in between A and B. It means in this portion is the B between one point and this point is C. Then after measure the length of AB, BC and AC. So first of all, dear students, you have to measure of length AB. It means here to here. Measure in this lines, then after measure this two, and then after measure here to here. Okay? You are to measure in these three lines. Suppose I have to draw measure in this lines. It means this lines is A. Okay? We are to measure, and suppose that this line is measuring A. Here is distance is 4 and this one is also for the distance is 4. Suppose this one is midpoint, it means suppose C to B distance is equal to 4 centimeter and this one is also for the 4 centimeter and A to B total is the 8 centimeter. Suppose आप अपनी तरह से मेजर कर सकते हैं रूलर्स या फिर डिवाइडर का यूज करके. Right? Now is AB is equal to AC plus BC? Let's check about this ones. AB is equal to AC plus BC. So first of all AC is equal to how many? 4 centimeter. BC is equal to how many? Also for the 4 centimeter. 4 plus 4 is means total 8 centimeter. Now dear students, AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Yes, AB is equal to 8 centimeter. So let's yes AB is equal to AC plus BC. It means here AB is equal to AC plus BC. It means C is the midpoint. C is the midpoint of line segment AB. It means C is the midpoint of AB. Understand? Question number 3. Okay. So let's start our next question is the question number 4. If A, B, C are 3 points on a line such that AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 8 centimeter, which one of them lies between the other two? So first of all, we are draw a one line segment. This one is our line segment. Okay? Let's start. A, B and C are 3 points on a line such that here is the A, suppose here is the B, and end point is the suppose in C. So A, B and C 3 points on a line such that. Clear? Again. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. It means A to B distance here, start here to here. In this distance is 5 centimeter. B to C, it means start here again and B to C, here to here distance. This one is the 3 centimeter and A to C, it means here to here. It means A to C. And this distance is 8 centimeter. So, understand? Which one of them lies between the other two? So dear students, which point is the between? See in the figure. So B is the between, lies A and B. B is the between A and C. So write down B is between, lies A and C. What is the between? The between point is B. Other two points is one point A and second point C. So B is the between lies A and C. So this one is our question number 4. Understand? Now, next question number 5. Verify whether D is the midpoint of AG. Here is given a one line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. A value 1, B value 2, C value 3, D 4, E 5, F 6 and G 7. So let's about check the D is the midpoint of AG. So A to G total distance, A to G start here, A to G total distance is means 7 centimeter. So understand? Okay? D is the midpoint. It means midpoint is means two equal part. If you are given a one line segment and given a one midpoint, it means this midpoint is suppose A and B, right? And here is C. So AB is the total distance is the 6 centimeter. So this here to here distance is the 3 centimeter and here is also for the 3 centimeter. Right? This all R is the how many total 3 centimeters means two equal part. How many? Two equal part. This means C is the midpoint of AB. So understand what is the midpoint. Now see, let's check about this one. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The total here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This means A to G distance is 6 centimeter. Sorry, मैंने 7 लिखा है but 6 centimeter. Understand? Now do the less about the check is the D. It means this point. So A to D distance how many? 1, 2, 3. It means AD is equal to 3 centimeter. Clear? Let's D to G distance 1, 2 and 3. It means D to G also for the how many? 3 centimeter. It means D is A to D distance 3 centimeter, D to G distance also for the 3 centimeter. It means both the side 3 centimeter and A to G distance is 6 centimeter. So we are writing AG is equal to AD plus DG. It means D is the midpoint of AG. D is the midpoint of AG. So understand how to solve into these questions, and midpoint is means two equal part. Understand? Okay.
Thank you for joining us.